Madhepura, a town nestled in the heart of Bihar, India, is a place where time seems to slow down. This quaint town offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its tranquil ambience. Located on the banks of the Kosi River, Madhepura enjoys a picturesque setting that adds to its charm. Madhepura is a tapestry of vibrant culture, ancient history, and breathtaking natural beauty. The town comes alive during its numerous festivals, showcasing the rich traditions and customs of the region. The town holds a special place in the state's cultural landscape, known for its ancient temples and the life-giving waters of the Kosi. These temples are not just places of worship, but also architectural marvels that tell stories of a bygone era. Madhepura's history dates back centuries, with its roots deeply embedded in the annals of time. The town has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving an indelible mark on its landscape. This rich past is evident in its numerous temples, monuments, and the stories that have been passed down through generations. These historical sites offer a glimpse into the town's illustrious past. The town is also an important agricultural center in the region, with farming being a way of life for many of its residents. The fertile lands nourished by the Kosi River yield abundant crops, making agriculture the backbone of Madhepura's economy. This makes Madhepura a vital contributor to the state's economy, with its bustling markets and hard-working farmers. Despite its historical and economic significance, Madhepura retains a charming small-town atmosphere. The streets are lined with quaint shops and homes, exuding a sense of timelessness. The people are warm and welcoming, always ready with a smile and a story. Their hospitality adds to the town's allure, making visitors feel at home. This unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes Madhepura an intriguing destination for travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience. Whether you're exploring its ancient ruins or enjoying the scenic landscapes, Madhepura promises a memorable journey. No exploration of Madhepura is complete without a visit to the Singheshwar Temple, a place that holds immense spiritual significance. This ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva stands as a testament to the town's rich spiritual heritage, drawing devotees from far and wide. The temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, making it a significant pilgrimage site for Hindus who come to seek divine blessings. Legend has it that the temple was established by Lord Vishnu. He installed the Shivlinga here to mark the site where Lord Shiva's blessings vanquished a demon, bringing peace to the land. The temple's architecture is a magnificent blend of styles from different eras, reflecting the continuous patronage it received from various rulers over the centuries. The temple complex is a sprawling space, housing several smaller shrines dedicated to various deities, each with its own unique story. The main shrine, where the Shivlinga is located, is an awe-inspiring site adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures that narrate tales from Hindu mythology, adding to the temple's mystical aura. Every year during the month of Shravan, the temple comes alive with the fervor of the Singheshwar Mela, a month-long fair that attracts millions of devotees from all over India. They come to pay their respects and seek the blessings of Lord Shiva, making it a vibrant and spiritually enriching experience. Dakini Sthan Mandir, another significant religious site in Madhepura, is shrouded in mystery and legend. Unlike the grand architecture of Singheshwar Temple, Dakini Sthan Mandir has a more rustic and ancient feel. This adds to its enigmatic aura. The temple is dedicated to Dakini Devi, a goddess associated with power and mysticism. The origins of the temple are unclear, with local folklore offering various interpretations. Some believe the temple dates back to the time of the Mahabharata. Others associate it with tantric practices. The temple is particularly revered by women who seek blessings for fertility and family well-being. It is believed that offering prayers and performing rituals at the temple can fulfill their wishes. Despite its mysterious aura, Dakini Sthan Mandir is a place of peace and tranquility. The air is thick with incense and the sound of chanting fills the atmosphere. This creates an otherworldly ambience that draws visitors and devotees alike. Section 4. The life-giving Kosi River. The Kosi River, often referred to as the Sorrow of Bihar, is as integral to Madhepura's identity as its temples. The river has played a vital role in shaping the town's history, culture, and economy. The Kosi is revered as a lifeline. It provides fertile land for agriculture and sustains the livelihoods of the people. Flowing down from the Himalayas, the Kosi carries with it the rich silt that nourishes the land. This makes the region surrounding Madhepura one of the most fertile in Bihar. The river's unpredictable nature, however, has also earned it the moniker of Sorrow of Bihar. The Kosi is known for its frequent course changes and devastating floods. These floods, while causing destruction, also replenish the land. Maintaining the delicate balance of nature, the people of Madhepura have learned to live in harmony with the river's rhythms. They revere its life-giving force while respecting its power. Section 5, a tapestry of green Madhepura's landscapes. Beyond the cultural and spiritual attractions, Madhepura is blessed with natural beauty. The lush green landscapes surrounding the town offer a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The fertile plains, nourished by the Kosi River, are a patchwork of emerald green rice paddies, fields of golden wheat, and orchards laden with fruits. The outskirts of Madhepura are dotted with mango orchards. During the summer months, these orchards are a sight to behold. They are laden with sweet, juicy mangoes, filling the air with their intoxicating aroma. For nature enthusiasts, a walk along the banks of the Kosi River is a must. The gentle breeze, the sound of flowing water, and the sight of birds soaring in the sky create a sense of serenity that is hard to find elsewhere. Section 6. The rhythm of nature, climate, and best time to visit. Madhepura experiences a tropical climate with hot summers and cool winters. The monsoon season, which arrives in late June and lasts until September, brings much-needed relief from the heat. The town comes alive during these months. The surrounding countryside transforms into a vibrant green paradise. The best time to visit Madhepura is during the winter months, from October to February. During this time, the weather is pleasant, making it ideal for exploring the town and its surroundings. The winter months are also the time for festivals and celebrations. The town is adorned with lights, and the air is filled with music and laughter. This makes it an even more enchanting time to experience the local culture. Section 7. Madhepura, where spirituality meets serenity. Madhepura, with its ancient temples, the life-giving Kosi River, and verdant landscapes, offers a unique travel experience. This town is a hidden gem, waiting to be discovered by those who seek a deeper connection with nature and spirituality. It is a place where spirituality meets serenity, where history blends seamlessly with the present. The quiet temple courtyards and historical buildings stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, offering a serene backdrop for introspection and peace. The town's ancient temples, steeped in legend and folklore, offer a glimpse into its rich cultural and spiritual heritage. These temples are not just places of worship, but also repositories of art and history, with intricate carvings and age-old rituals that continue to be practiced. The Singheshwar Temple, with its grand architecture and religious significance, is a testament to the town's enduring faith. It stands tall, inviting pilgrims and tourists alike to experience its spiritual aura and architectural splendor. The enigmatic Dakini Sthan Mandir adds a touch of mystery and intrigue. Surrounded by nature, this temple is shrouded in myths and legends, making it a fascinating destination for those interested in the mystical aspects of spirituality. The Kosi River, while infamous for its unpredictable nature, is the lifeline of Madhepura. Its waters nourish the land, sustain its people, and add to the town's scenic beauty, creating a harmonious balance between nature and human life. It nourishes the land, sustains its people, and adds to its scenic beauty. The river's presence is a constant reminder of the delicate interplay between natural forces and human endeavors. The lush green landscapes surrounding the town offer a tranquil escape from the chaos of urban life. These verdant fields and forested areas provide a perfect setting for relaxation, meditation, and a deeper connection with nature. Madhepura is a destination that beckons travelers to step back in time, to connect with their spiritual side, and to immerse themselves in the natural beauty that surrounds them. Whether exploring ancient temples or meditating by the riverside, visitors find a sense of peace and fulfillment. It is a place where one can find solace, rejuvenation, and a renewed appreciation for the simple joys of life. The sunsets over the fields, the gentle flow of the river, and the serene landscapes all contribute to a profound sense of well-being and contentment.